Gue nontonin Zeta yang lagi main ini lucu dah. Game Switch ini ya, yang apa, impersonate.
Wait, I spoke to the wrong mic. Wrong mic. Salah mic. Matsugata. Mic. Matte. Bruh, I spoke to the wrong mic. Nice.
Seru anjir.
Ya, sudah. No! Good. Nice, bird sound. Mate, mau ikat.
Menjadi kucing.
Yay! Not bad. Also, if you guys hear a bell sound, it's my camera probably arrived. I ordered like a hand cam camera. My package should be arriving anytime soon, so that's not voice money. いくよ。
Nol. Oh enggak. Wih.
Ooh, that was good. I think that was good.
Iya.
Yeah, not bad.
Anjing ini gimana?
Okay.
IP welcome gimana?
How many points? Why does it take so long to calculate? It's like it's taking so long to give me a score.
What the fuck?
Okay. Magic stick いくぞ。Okay, not bad.
Damn.
Not bad. 72 is not bad. 72 いくぞ。Okay.
Dudung.
Japanese drum. What's with the end? Ending gila na. Let's go again.
Dudung.
Netflix sound.
Ya. Dudung. Aduh, kelamaan Zeta.
Okay, pretty good. Oni-chan, donation. Zero janai. It's not zero, so.
Aku di sini dan kau di Jepang.
Whoa,
Kita
I like this.
berjarak 2 jam. Gitu sih.
redo. No, I don't want to redo. Rapper, of course. DJ P7 is back. Okay, okay.
Dung. Dung. Gimana ya,
Keren,
lucu
Ma.
banget. Ya.
What do I do? Wait, I'm doing it seriously though. You're doing okay. Wakanda, musuh sih. I can't do the gong sounds.
Iya.
Uso.
Ada gue mandi. Seru. Seru bejir.
Oke teman-teman, jadi sampai sini dulu klip kali ini. Dan ya, jangan lupa buat cek deskripsi untuk sobat banget dan juga Zeta, serta cek detail videonya. Thanks for watching, nantikan klip selanjutnya. Thank you guys.